Hello ladies, so today we are trying Ulzzang makeup kit. Is it Ulzzang or Ulzzang? Whatever, I don't know. So first step is moisturizer, and then primer. Blend it really well. I'm not using any other light products. Okay, like for the base, I blended with the brush. Now I'm using foundation stick. Wait, pan stick. The brand is Inside. And yeah, next I'm using gel foundation like Mars foundation. Blend it really well with the brush. And I'm using Blue Heaven foundation as my concealer because it's really lighter shade for me. Anyways, I applying it on my faces, I mean the part of my faces wherever I want to highlight it. I blend it with a small concealer brush. Sorry, brush. I'm making so many mistakes right now. Now next step is contouring. Nose contouring. I'm using eyeshadow as to contour my nose, and a lighter orangish or brown shade as using contouring my cheeks areas and forehead like a bronzer. Yeah, it's a bronzer. And also my jawline, the part I am using it. And now I am filling my eyebrows. And here guys, I really like my eyeshadow, I mean eyebrow palette. I really love it because there is 8 shades like lighter and darker and 2 shimmer shades. Anyways, that's all for, now I am really filling my eyebrows. And I'm using compact powder to set my makeup. Next we are moving on to blush. First I am using Blue Heaven gel blush. I don't know the shade or whatever. And then I am using a cream blush. I don't let you see it because you can use whatever shades you want if you try this look. And also it's a light pink color, not that much darker or something. Next step is I am doing eyeshadow with the maroon shade. You can see I drawing my eyeshadow with a maroon shade, then blend it with a brush. And the next step is I'm using a white compact powder as my under eyes because I want my eyeshadow pop it even more. Now I'm using the same maroon shade as my eyeshadow. I'm only using the side of my eyes. Then I'm using a shimmer shade. Nowadays I really love to do mixing my eyeshadows like a different combination color. Now I am drawing my eyes like a small but pretty foxy eyes, or whatever you can say it. And now I am using a dark eyeshadow as my under eyes to join it. Dark means a black eyeshadow. Okay, now as you can see I am doing it like how you can see it on my video. Girls, I messed up these eyes, but the first eye I really do it better. Now I am doing lips. I firstly lining my lips with a pinkish or reddish shade. And here I am moving with I think I should do a dark lips. Okay, firstly I am using dark brown, and then I am using a red lipstick. As you can see, its combination really good and it combine it really well. Okay, I really like it. Now I am highlighting my nose, tip of my nose, and the area of my cheeks, and the side of my the eyebrows, the area of my eyebrows. I really do like highlighting my face because I do like the way of glow it. And now I'm curling my lashes and using two mascaras. Okay, one is give a thicker and other one is give big lashes or something. I bought it from Flipkart and Meesho. First one is Blue Heaven, other one is I don't know the brand. Even though it's not really look like Ulzzang makeup, but I really like this look because I just think it's really cute. Now I am dotting with a eyeliner to do molds. That's all for today, girlies. If you do like my videos, please support. Thank you for watching.